everyone, welcome back to How to Doctor. For today's video, let me teach you on how to fix WhatsApp chat screen and gray screen problem. If you're having this kind of problem, that you can try to restart your phone. A simple restart sometimes fixes some issues unknown to you, which it causes your WhatsApp to have a problem. If it doesn't work, then you need to uninstall the app and reinstall it using the App Store for iOS device and Play Store if you're using an Android device. Let's navigate to your home screen. Tap and hold the WhatsApp app. In the pop-up menu, select Remove App or Uninstall button. Next, confirm your action by selecting Delete App or Uninstall. After that, open the App Store or Play Store and search for WhatsApp. Open the app page and tap the Download button or Install button. Wait for it to finish and then open the app and relog into your account. And with that, you can check if the issue has been fixed. Thanks for tuning in to How to Doctor. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.